Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mia Abdul and I recently made a house in DHA Peshawar. So as we all know about the electricity problems in Pakistan, and the electricity price is increases every day. So because of that, we go for the solar solution, and we install the solar solution, and we are looking for in the market we were looking for the good engineers and people who are making good solar systems. So we find Ishfaq Solar Solution a very good brand, and their work is too good, and I am very happy from their work. So they install 6 kilowatts 3 panels for us, and we have 30 panels, each contain 540 kilowatts, and it's a J panels, double glass. And they also installed green meter for us today, and I encourage all of you guys to give chance to Ishfaq Solar Solution because they are very good in their work.